is DJ Cash Channel. Please hit subscribe and click the notification bell. Smile! Okay guys, welcome po sa atin YouTube channel. Ako nga po pala si DJ Cash at bago ka pa lang, please don't forget to subscribe at i-click na rin po ang notification bell para updated kayo lagi sa mga video na ina-upload ko. So today's video po, ngayon po ay nandito tayo sa Barangay Bagakay kung saan po ay meron ditong graduation program at tayo po ang nag-set up ng sound system. Wala pong iba kung hindi ito pong EJF. Okay? So sa mga gustong magpabook sa ating sound system ay available po. So all over dito po sa sa Tacloban. Okay, maya lang po ay mag-uumpisa na po tayo.
Before we begin, may I remind all the parents to please turn your cell phone to silent mode and be courteous enough by not talking aloud so that we will have a very solemn graduation ceremony.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Today, another history slowly unfolds as we come to an end of the school year 2024-2025. Friends, welcome to the 2025 graduation ceremony of Bagakay Elementary School with the theme, Henerasyon ng Pagkakaisa, Kaagapay sa Bagong Pilipinas.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Bayang magiliw, perlas ng silanganan, alam ng puso, sa likim mo'y buhay. Ang ibigay, tuyang ka ng magiting, sa paglulutin, di ka masisipin. Sana lahat ng sa simoy at sa langit mong buhay, may dilag ang bukla at awit sa pagyayag niya.
Ang islang kapwa-hawak mo'y tagumpay siya ng hinindin.
Ang bituin at araw na kailan pa
May magdidiin.
mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
It is my great honor to confirm the graduates of grade 6 of Bagakay Elementary School for school year 2024-2025. By the power and authority vested in me by the Department of Education, Regional Office, Tacloban City Division, through the Superintendent Dr. Sherlita A. Palma, CISO 6, and as her representative, upon the recommendation of the school head, Ma'am Lilia I. Villafranca, and having satisfactorily completed the requirements of the K-12 basic education curriculum prescribed by the Department of Education, I hereby confirm that these learners are now official elementary school graduates. Congratulations!
Thank you so much, Ma'am Grace. A certificate of graduation is the tangible evidence of being a graduate in a certain level of education. This is now the fruit of each pupil's endeavor. So to do the honors once again, we have on the stage, Ma'am Grace Borino, please. To be assisted by our school head, Ma'am
Diploma
Villafranca.
Candidates for graduation, grade 6 Aguinaldo, Boa Jubilito Jr. and with honors, Silagan Princess Jasmine Princess Nicole with honors. Advisor, Marie Chris C. Abod.
C. With honors.
This afternoon, we are honored to hear from a dedicated leader who continuously champion in excellence, support our teachers and learners, and ensure that our school remains safe, inclusive, and nurturing space for all. To deliver this on her behalf, we will call on someone who continues to be champion of well-being of our learners. Please welcome the principal of Kamansihay Elementary School, Griselda H. Berino.
Education is the most powerful tool that equips individuals for life battlefield. It is an one asset that no one can take away. Investing in education paves the way for higher economic development within the community, ultimately improving the quality of life for its people.
At this juncture, to lead their graduates pledge, we call on Janina P. Aguihon, batch with honors.
Fellow graduates, please rise and raise your right hand. Repeat after me. We, graduates of Pagkakay Elementary School, pledge our loyalty to our teachers, our parents, and to our alma mater.
afternoon, everyone. Hello, children, parents, maupay nga kulo pa ating natanan. As we come to close of this meaningful celebration, allow me to express my heartfelt gratitude to all who made today possible. Our dear parents, teachers, and most importantly, our graduates. To our graduates, my dear, congratulations. Today is your special moment, not just because of the medals and certificates you have received, but because you have taken your first big step into a future full of purpose and promise. As you receive this afternoon your envelope, children, pamati. Na-receive niyo yan at envelope. What is inside of that is the important documents of yours. Ayaw ilabog. Kay importante ito, hindi yung pa-enroll, pag-eskwela. Ha? Do you understand?
Today, Division Tacloban City District Learning Center 3, Bagakay Elementary School, Tacloban City. Certificate of Appreciation is awarded to Ma'am Griselda H. Berino, School Head of Kamansihay Elementary School, in sincere appreciation of your valuable presence and support as our graduation ceremony held on this month and day, April 15, 2025. Your appreciation helped make this occasion more meaningful and memorable. Thank you for sharing this special milestone with us. Given this 15th day of April 2025 at Bagakay Elementary School, Tacloban City, signed Ma'am Lilia I. Villafranca, School Head. Children, round of applause, please.
Before we have the positional, let's have first the pictorial by section.
Okay guys, so hanggang dito na lang po at thank you po for watching at dito na po nagtatapos ang ating program, yung graduation dito sa may Barangay Bagakay at ngayon po ang oras po ay 5 o'clock, okay, at natapos po tayo, nag-start po tayo ay 3 o'clock. So, hi! Ito, at tapos na po yung ano namin, set up at maya-maya lang ay ano na kami, pack up. Okay guys, if you like this video, please give me your thumbs up at don't forget to comment at please mag-subscribe at i-click na rin notification bell para updated kayo lagi sa mga video na ina-upload ko, okay? Si DJ Kaos po pala at kung gusto nyo po magkaroon ng sa mga birthdays o any equations ay i-ano ko lang po rito yung contact number ko at pwede niya akong i-message po either sa FB, okay, sa Messenger. Okay, so bye for now at dito na lang po nagtatapos. See you!